Most terrifying thing ever that no one ever talks about, deep sea. Yo. Deep sea is literally mortifying. Mortifying. Not enough people talk about it. So what did we learn today so far, chat? When in doubt, sit at the house. No, but seriously, don't drive in horrible weather conditions, like terrible weather. Don't go to the beach in horrible weather conditions. That's half these clips. So never go hiking. Don't drive in horrible weather conditions. Never go to a avalanche. I mean, bro, we gotta work in our survival skills, man.